right, let's check out the drone with camera 4K. FPV drones 248G RC plane, GPS drone for adults with brushless motor, 5G transmission, waypoint fly, auto return, gestures control, batteries, 46-minute flight. Here we go. Here's the case. Charging cables, extra blades. It's the drone body. There's the 4K camera, batteries, controller. Okay, that's what the controller looks like. Got the app downloaded, logged in. Battery goes in like so. Extend the arms. It's got a cool little interface on there. Extend this up. Comes up to hold the phone in place. Okay, phone does sit in there, not super secure, feels like. I do have the case on the phone.
Пиздец.
As you can see from the flight test, very cool, very stable in the air. Takes a little bit of calibration to get it going, and that needs to happen each time you power the drone on. Turning the drone around in specific directions and specific orientations gets it calibrated, and then it's ready to go. Once it's up and running, it is super stable in the air. Very specific controls and pretty awesome actually. And you can see that the high def camera, the 4K camera, is quite good on it. Very cool drone.